Understanding, I acknowledge that, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard or read. I acknowledge that. Understanding this phrase can significantly improve your communication skills, especially in formal or academic settings. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Stay tuned. When we say, I acknowledge that, we're essentially expressing that we recognize or accept something as true. This phrase is a way of showing that you understand a fact or someone's point of view, even if you might not necessarily agree with it. It's about confirming the validity of a statement or an experience without passing judgment or offering an opinion. Now, let's talk about how to use I acknowledge that in sentences. This phrase can be used in various contexts, such as acknowledging facts, opinions, situations, or feelings. Here are some examples. Acknowledging facts. I acknowledge that the climate is changing rapidly. Acknowledging opinions. I acknowledge that you have a different point of view. Acknowledging situations. I acknowledge that this is a difficult time for everyone involved. Acknowledging feelings. I acknowledge that you're upset about the decision. Acknowledging something doesn't mean you're in agreement. It means you're listening and considering another's perspective. This is crucial in effective communication. By using I acknowledge that, you create a respectful atmosphere for dialogue. It shows that you value the other person's input and are open to understanding diverse perspectives. This can be particularly important in conflicts, discussions, and when giving or receiving feedback. For English learners, practicing the use of I acknowledge that can help in several ways. Enhance your vocabulary. It's a great addition to your language toolbox, especially for formal or academic discussions. Improve comprehension. Understanding when and how it's used can help you better grasp the nuances of English conversations. Encourage active listening. Using this phrase shows that you are actively engaging with what someone is saying. Try incorporating I acknowledge that in your daily conversations or writing, where appropriate, to get comfortable with its usage. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, I acknowledge that, and how you can use it to improve your English communication skills. Remember, acknowledging someone's statement is a powerful way of showing respect and understanding, essential qualities in any language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!